My parole officer doesn't want me to be making videos anymore. Anyways, welcome to People vs. Nature. It is a very windy day outside. The door opens, and she's go flying into the garage. All this is protected under the copyright law of 1976. Screw you, YouTube. Into the tree you go. That's why I have stopped parachuting. I always keep running into trees. Why are they scared? They say lightning never strikes in the same place twice. Snow Train. Like that movie, Snowpiercer. That's a very good movie. You should watch it. You know what the definition of insanity is? Doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. I do not know how that relates to that clip, though. Let's see. This normal fisher boat versus a giant wave. The boat survived, but it seems like one person did not. That is a shame. Horrifying. They could have been sucked deep into the ocean. Barely made it out alive. I would not step on that. That is all slush. And now they are through the river. Good job. You know, I'm not really concerned about whatever just fell from the sky, but I'm more concerned about those roads, you know? I mean, you're gonna do so many potholes, like, at what point is it just mutually beneficial to just go over the whole road? I don't know. This man's in a sled. Having fun. How is that even a fail army worthy video? Guy got nut tapped by a fish. Man's surfing. It seems thunder has disrupted his surfing. Very concerning. I believe they are waving around a Canadian flag on an umbrella. Very concerning. Once again, more people fucking with the ocean. I don't get it. That is an eel. Hopefully it is not an electric eel. It was not an electric eel, I don't presume.
Are you okay?
You need to watch your language, sir. There's no room in this world for that type of language. There is some joke in there about a lady getting her hand swallowed by a fish. More people on sharp rocks with the waves coming at them. How do they think this is a good idea?
Sally is falling into some quicksand.
She indeed is. And that's why you are
tries to
recording
escape.
her instead of helping her. Very good.
Tape it!
She
No, I have to
provides a
tape
good
it.
point.
I can't get it out.
We'll take the audio out later. See? That's working. Slowly.
He did not take
That's
the
it.
audio
Slowly
out.
wiggle it. I promise I'll bring flowers every May. Okay, I'm helping.
This was the beginning of the divorce hearing, I
helping.
heard.
Good job, Sweepy. Glad I could be to help.
I think he is going to sleep on the couch for a few nights after that one. Mr. Camel, hello there.
He took the whole bag! He ate the whole bag, man!
Did you know camel milk is almost equivalent to cow's milk in protein and fat nutrients? That is a fact. Porta potties have wheels on them. That swan floaty got taken over. Wind. Thankfully, the tree was not hurt in the making of this video. I do not know if that's a very good place to have a pool. I feel like that's a safety hazard. All the people would be just whooshed up into the ocean and into the sharp rocks.
Yo, smile. Yo.
Raccoons are the true example of humans. They only take. They never give back. I've never met a nice raccoon. Never. You want to hear a joke? The horse went to the beach. And then the horse went to the beach, and then then the guy, the horse was there. And I thought there would be something interesting after this horse, so I'm like, really like wasting time. I mean, this video is not that long; it's only like 8 minutes, but a good majority of that was just another tree falling on this guy's windshield. Apparently, very nice. It seems to be a fish.
That's my rod.
Huh. Good job. The monkey is throwing poop. Why is there no glass there? That is a giant safety hazard. If I was a 4-year-old child, I would jump into the pit and then make the gorilla get tranquilized. Harambe tube. That looked like either a wild dingo or just a random person's dog. Someone's car is getting swept away in the tornado. Or is this a hurricane? That is a hurricane, I believe.
Come on, get up. Come on.
Go.
He's just chilling.
Come on.
This is his home.
Frank, I don't want to take
What are you doing? Now, this reminds me of that picture of that guy like on the plank and he's sawing the other side of the plank that's connected to ground. That's what that reminds me of. Big fish. I like big fish. Big fish does not like guy. Damn Australians. That was almost cool and entertaining, but not really.
I gotta go home. I'm gonna get cold. I got a little wet.
That was it. This was not a very good video. Why did you stay until the end? I don't like you. I don't like the person you are becoming. Goodbye.